Holly and welcome to the Proper Pineapple. Today we're going to be unboxing March's KnitCrate. You guys know I love KnitCrate. But if you don't know anything about KnitCrate, which I don't know anybody who doesn't, you've been living under a rock. No, I'm just kidding. It is a monthly subscription box of yarn. They have, what I have is the membership crate, which you'll get 2 skeins of their in-house yarn. It could be anything from lace weight, fingering weight, all the way up to bulky, worsted, any of the things in between. It's different every month. Or you can get like their sock crate where you'll get specifically sock yarn. They have a Malabrigo crate. It's tons of fun. And they give you like 3 choices for the membership crate every month, and you can pick which one you want. But I like the surprise of it. I like not knowing what I'm getting, opening the box and seeing it. So I'm always excited. If you have not tried KnitCrate and you would like to, please use my link down below and use the coupon code pineapple20 to get 20% off your first purchase. Let's open this up and see what we got. You guys, I honestly don't know what's in here. I know there's 3 solid colors. I think they're like dark too. I think there's like a red, honest to goodness, have no idea. I did not pay any attention. So we're gonna see. So I don't have one that I'm guessing for because I didn't pay attention. Tell me what I got, guys. Let's see, is there a paper on it? There's always a paper. Can they see the yarn now? Did I get something good? Oh, I did. I got a beautiful winter green. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. It's like butter. Okay, this is a new base, I think. Labribus by KnitCrate. Let's see if I can hold that up there. Labribus. I've never heard of that one. It is their alpaca. That is why. It is 100% baby alpaca. Oh my word. This is the softest thing I've ever felt. Wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. Anyways, it's this beautiful, like, okay, it's coming out a little too emerald on camera, but a beautiful green. And it is the softest thing in the world. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Oh, it's not even focusing on me anymore. Hi, guys. All right. Let's see. It is fingering weight, and there's 400 yards, so it's a total of 800 yards you get. This is beautiful, you guys. I have to see the book to see what the other 2 colors were. You always get a little book with patterns in it and talks about the people. And okay, so the sock yarns were this crate, which this blue is really pretty. So is this red. I guess you get a sock crate. Look, the sun's coming out. And then these are the patterns for the sock crate. So cool. Okay, now let's see. Do they have... Where is the yarn for the one that I got? I don't know. It's not showing. Oh, it's over here. Blech. Such a blonde moment. These are the 3 colors you could have got. Green, like a brown, and a red. Okay, let's be honest, y'all. I would not have been happy if I got this brown. I'm not a brown person. It's not me. But the green is probably my favorite. It's called Ancient Pines. I love it. So, so pretty. You do get like little things. So this month you got some stitch markers, which I love these kind. These are great. And then a couple months back, I don't remember which one, but you guys, if you watch my KnitCrate video, you'll remember. You were supposed to get needle tip holders. And they were out, so they set these adorable little teeny tiny knitted hats that I just fell in love with. It's so cute. It's like a little knitted hat. It's on my channel somewhere. So they finally sent the needle tip holders. So those will actually come in handy if you knit. The last thing I'm going to show you guys before I get out of here is next month's inspiration. And I'm super excited. Super excited. So this is the inspiration photo for April. Make sure that's focusing. And you guys, there's some pinks. Oh my goodness. I hope there's a pink option and I hope I get it. And if I don't get it, I might cry. Oh, these blues are pretty too, but pink. I love pink. Okay, guys. Totally have to get out of here. Like I said, If you don't already subscribe to KnitCrate and you would like to, please use my link down below and use the code PINEAPPLE20 for 20% off your first purchase. Bye!